We have Wingstop and Buldak. You guys know I'm in eviction mode for this baby, and spicy food is the way I'm gonna get him out. So we did do a whole packet. Wish me luck. We got hot honey rub, of course. I said every time I eat this combination, the best combination on the planet. Stew type is so good. Delicious but hot. Last bite. Cheers. Okay, leave it in the comments below. Do we think this spicy food is going to put me into labor? Probably not, but at least it was a delicious meal.